Welcome to the Ultimate Guide to Health Hacks, Essential Tips for Beginners. In this video, we will explore a variety of health hacks that can help improve your overall well-being. Whether you're new to the world of health and wellness or looking to level up your existing habits, these essential tips are perfect for beginners. One of the key pillars of a healthy lifestyle is proper nutrition. In this scene, we will discuss some simple yet effective nutrition hacks for beginners. From incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet to understanding portion control, we'll cover all the essential tips that can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Regular physical activity is crucial for overall health. In this scene, we will share some fitness hacks that are perfect for beginners. Discover exercises that can be done at home or with minimal equipment, learn about effective workout routines, and get motivated to kickstart your fitness journey with these essential tips. A good night's sleep is vital for your physical and mental well-being. In this scene, we will explore some sleep hacks that can help you improve your sleep quality and develop healthy sleep habits. From creating a relaxing bedtime routine to optimizing your sleep environment, these essential tips will ensure you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. In today's fast-paced world, managing stress is crucial. In this scene, we will share some effective stress management hacks that are perfect for beginners. Learn techniques to reduce stress levels, discover mindfulness practices, and find out how to prioritize self-care in order to achieve a better work-life balance. Congratulations! You've reached the end of the Ultimate Guide to Health Hacks, Essential Tips for Beginners. By incorporating these health hacks into your daily life, you'll be well on your way to achieving a healthier and happier lifestyle. Remember, it's all about taking small steps and making sustainable changes that lead to long-term benefits.